Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Nico here, and we're gonna be doing Monkey on the Shelf. Shut up.
Hello. Hey, scoot back, buddy.
Right, everybody get on the shelf.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video.
Right, 3 round.
3 round, okay. Yay.
Three.
Yeah. Touched it.
Right, what are you removing?
Okay, I'm deleting this wall.
You can't
Okay.
delete walls. You can't delete
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
You can only delete one though.
Now
Yeah.
delete both of them, and that's what I'm gonna do.
No, you can't delete both of them, else it's impossible.
Oh, what are you? No, it's not impossible. Look, you can make this stuff right here from these hats.
No, and you can't. You're not allowed to delete.
You can
You've
delete
got
both
speed
of them.
boost. Bro, you've got
Oh, buddy,
speed
well,
boost.
watch me. Do it without the speed boost. It's not that hard.
Right, now what are you removing?
I'm removing. Watch it out, dude. What are you doing? I didn't say what I was removing. Mother. Oh, you were gonna try the jump. I'm sorry. I'm lagging. Oh. Okay, I'm deleting this thing and the hats. Can't step on the hats.
Oh.
Buddy, I deleted that wall.
No, you didn't. You deleted this wall.
Oh, I deleted this one.
No, you deleted
No, you
that one.
didn't. Delete that one.
What the fuck? Okay. Okay, now I'm deleting this thing right here.
Hey guys, welcome back to
So which wall is deleted?
Right, what are you deleting
That
that? This don't count as a flaw.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, no.
carry on.
This doesn't count as a
I-
claw.
I can't see a thing, so I'm waiting for them to go.
Yeah, same. I can't see a thing.
Go.
Hey, tag that guy.
I touched it. I touched it.
I touched it! I touched it! Jesus
You
Christ!
touched the floor, bro.
I didn't understand.
I
I
know.
touched the
Tig,
window! What?
Tig me.
Don't tag me. I've already touched it. I've already touched.
I touched
This kid's gonna tag me. This kid's trying to tag
Guys,
You tig
I'm
me.
staying up here. I'm staying up.
Thank you. I touched the floor back there.
Oh, I'm
thought
staying
we
up here
were
because I didn't need to. Yeah, but it was just.
Right, get rid of this wall now. Get rid of this wall. Get rid of this wall.
Run
I
round.
thought we can't get rid of both the
Get it,
walls.
then you get it.
Yeah, we
No,
can.
you can't.
You can.
Okay,
can't.
this one. This one. You pigs.
Alright, you can't
Right,
get
I'm
rid of
still
them then.
playing. I'm loving them.
Okay, I'm deleting this thing.
You bozo. You bozo.
I deleted
You
that.
you bozo.
Yes, I did. Everyone, you
No,
remember
you
me deleting
didn't.
this? This was the
Yeah,
second
he
thing I
did
deleted.
delete it. So. Is
Oh, you're the last
delete?
one.
Daisy, Daisy.
How about
Give
we play
me
crazy
your
stuff?
answer to.
Get up there or you're getting tugged. Whoa, whoa. 3 round.
Crazy.
3 round.
I didn't mean to.
Two.
Is this kid alright? Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. M.
Peanut butter, did you make it?
U.
Right, I'm removing this. I'm
A.
removing this, including the hats.
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. Peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Okay. Peanut butter's gone.
Butter.
Peanut butter's gone rage mode.
Peanut butter.
Alright, I'm removing this.
Whoa. So
This is easy now.
Whoa. No, Black, you're out. You touched this.
I know. Bang. Okay.
Black,
No. Yeah.
I saw you touch the floor.
I touched the bloody mirror already.
Who the fuck tagged us? Who Who's this stupid ass fucking bitch retard idiot faggot? Yo, let's go play crates.
Right, new mini
I
game
like this
mines. We're playing crates.
Say two.
I'm guessing you all know how to play crates, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's easy, bro.
Good.
Crates is the most easy.
Pretty-
He tagged me. What are you doing?
Yeah, but love, but duh.
Right, everyone get in mines.
One time I seen a monkey crying here in a private server. I
And you
joined this
can
private
eject,
server
you can eject, like, get off right now.
Guys, can I tag you? Because somebody
No.
tagged me on the way here, so it's not fair.
Well, you guys just have more help.
Whoa, no.
2 monkeys.
Eject! Eject! Get off! Get off! Get off!
What? How did he get me? Woo! I'm a monkey.
You can't camp, you gotta keep moving about.
Okay, I'm moving about. Hey, you fell.
Yeah, but I'm back on.
I don't
Whoa,
care
what are you
about it.
doing?
What's
That
up,
kid
hard?
just got off on the crate. The kid just got off on the crate and just went like that and tagged me.
Right, Fairs.
But okay, now I'm tagged.
Is
Yes.
everyone in the UK?
Oh,
Uh,
this purple kid. I don't care. I'm tagging him. I don't care if he goes on the crate or not. Right, there you go.
What time is it for you guys?
Oh, get off right now!
For me, it's 12:34.
Same.
Yeah. 12:34, dude. It's 7 in the morning for me.
Sorry, I was running into you. I was running
Red! Yes,
Right,
Red.
the last one.
No, we're not. Whoa, no, whoa.
You're about to be.
No, you can't camp, you can't camp.
Oh, you're the last one.
Just tagged him. I don't know.
Get off. Run.
Oh, God.
Get off right now!
No, you get off. You get off. You get off.
I ejected him. Eject.
I was on here first.
Yeah, but you can eject. Free take.
Oh, bro, I'm so happy that guy didn't take my seat.
Eject.
Bro said eject.
I know.
Hey, buddy. Eject. 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 Get out of here. Eject.
No, eject.
Oh, you get. Don't attack him. Don't tag him.
Oh, damn.
Okay, never mind. We're good. Fuck you, buddy.
Suck on my finger. You?
Eject your seat. Eject your seat, mate. Get out of here.
You can't go up there,
You
you're
can't
out.
just You can't just get off and get back on.
You can't go out of mines.
Monkey.
You're out,
Get
Blue.
outta here.
You're out. He's ejected you.
Don't tag me. Dude, scoot back.
Oh yeah.
Can I move? Can you guys not tag me while I move? Okay. I'm
Yeah, you can't camp.
Oh, I'm gonna get that monkey too.
Bro, if you get up, lads.
If you guys move, I can make him eject and you can tag him.
Go, 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 go.
No.
Well, I don't trust those 2 monkeys.
I'll make
Go,
an
go,
ejection
just
on
go.
him. I'll make an ejection on him. Ejection.
Eject.
Bro,
You're
gay,
last.
guys, you little golden hat monkey. Imagine having golden hat, you little gay.
Go on, golden up.
Oh my god.
Yes!
How did
Finally.
you tag me? Hey, you.
Lava
When
monkey.
he tagged me.
Ah! Bing bong, bing bong, ning bong. Ah! No, you smell a pish. You literally push me off.
Eject.
Oh!
Right,
Alright,
can
Anna.
anyone else hear that?
Yes.
Eject.
Hello? Yes!
Eject.
Oh my god! Why? That's so
Your
good.
last monkey.
No, he's not.
What?
Don't tag him.
Tag
Somebody
lag.
broke their headset. It is lagging, guys. Where the
I think that other kid
Where's
were
the
playing the
guy that knocked?
pianos. Get back here! My controller's vibrating.
Somebody's on the grass.
Who there?
I think you can tag him now.
No one's left.
The blue guy is.
No, I mean like no one has left the game.
Oh yeah, somebody just did actually.
No.
It was another guy, but I don't know where he went.
Oh, there we are. Right, go back in mines.
Eject your fucking seat, mate.
Yeah.
Eject all of you. Get off my
Uh,
shit. Hey, get
Off.
out of here.
Back on. Get off.
What?
I've
You
been on
can't do that.
3
Okay,
times
what?
in a row. I've been on 3 times in a row.
Get off.
Get
Both
the
of
fuck
you.
out my ear.
Both of you. Get off. No.
Whoa.
Lava monkey smells. Get off right now. Why are you taking me?
You're the last monkey. Guys, I've been on 3 times in a row.
What do you mean you've been on 3 times in a row?
Oh no!
I was on 3 times in a row.
Get off right now. Peanut butter, get off.
Get off his fucking grade. Hey, get off.
Whoa.
Don't be like this, okay?
Please, please. I'm back on. No, why you
Bomba claps,
camping
man.
me?
Bomba claps. Bomba claps. Bomba claps, fam. Bomba claps.
I can't see a thing. By the way, the crystals count as well.
All I need
No, they
now.
don't.
Well, I'm on the grid. Oh, man. I actually shoot my son. Oh, there we are. Swear, if I'm it. Good.
4 times! 4 times! Bang, 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 bang! Oh crap, my face.
What are you talking about?
Go off!
Who was on?
Ziggy long more time.
Hey, you're gonna have to eject somebody. Eject your seat. Hey, buddy, eject your seat.
Eject!
Get the fuck off my seat.
Eject your dad.
Eject! I was on the crate, you stupid.
Eject your dad. Eject your nation.
Eject.
You smell.
Eject, eject, eject.
You go off.
Eject, eject, eject. Get the frick off, Red.
Eject.
Eject, boy.
Eject your seat. Get off my seat.
Go away.
Ticka ticka go.
Get off my seat. Get off.
I can't.
Get off my freaking seat.
Yeah, you get off.
Get off my seat, buddy.
Get off.
Make it out!
Hello. What?
How did you guys tag me?
Ah!
5
Run!
times this whole game. 5 times.
Get off, all of you.
Yeah! Oh yeah!
If we are to see.
What? Well, why you take me?
No, it was late. It was really late. I tagged you when you were here. Hello, monkey. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You're technically not on the crate.
my god. Oh yes. Oh, it's my baby. My baby boy. Oh my god. Bang. Bang. Bang.
You
Bang.
smell.
Yes, music.
I'm behind you.
He's on me!
Oh, wait, you got... Yeah, that was a massive delay. I'm not even joking. I tagged you when you were there.
Fuck you!
Run, Blue. Run for your life.
Haha.
What the fart?
It's no longer crates, it's mines.
I'm being deep.
Wait, what?
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 What did you say?
Oh, I just said I'm BMT.
Bet.
I'm BMT.
I'm your dad. Wait, he's not even in the mines, him. Right, that's it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give us a like. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks, bye.